Hi there, tutorial on Visual Basic 2010 Express Edition. Today I will show you how we use variables, also how we use button and text box and label. I will create some kind of basic calculator for you to understand the code. So let me do the button. I will do the text box. Yep, I will do text box and the label to display the results. So let me change the properties of label. No name, I need it. Also, auto size is false, and where is this border style? There it is, and fixed. Okay, so I will change this one also. Okay, so I want this value in this text box to be displayed in here after the calculation, when I click the calculate. So I do, it's click on the calculate button, in this one. Click on the calculate button, and I say, for example, I need a variable, so I'll use dim. That's how we declare the variable. We use dim and then name, for example, number, and as and integer, for example. We can have, for example, also string. We can have other uses like double, which is fractional numbers. So for example, if you need to display a number with the dots, so like 3.5, 3.6, stuff like this, we will use double or single. Single is less on memory, does the same job, but it's less on memory. So we use single more than double. And then we have short. It's smaller than a integer. It does the same job actually. Byte, the same as integer, but the value there's no, in the byte there's no values, there's no minus values, so it's from 0 to 255. So we can use it, for example, for color range, like RGB color. Then we have also character, I think, yeah, character. And we can also have long, which is higher, which is more than integer. It have like 2 million value, 2 million to plus and minus, so it's quite large and takes lots of memory. We can also have, I think, byte show you a boolean. And I think that's the most useful one we will use. If there is something else, I will probably use it in next tutorial. So for this exercise, I will use integer. Integer is enough. Okay, so now I have the number as a integer, my variable. Now I need to assign it to my text box. So number is equal to text and text box 1 dot text. So this will mean the number variable will hold the data from the text box that I created here. And if I want to display the result, for example, so I use label and text and say equals to number times 2. So what it does, it will display the result for the number times 2. So if I run this, and let's say I input some kind of value like 4, it will calculate 4 times 2 is 8. And the good thing is that I don't need to run this again. I can just change the value and calculate it again. I can also do something like this, add another button, for example, name it clear, so it's clear button, and say if I click this button, then the text box dot text will equal to or we can say something like clear text box, but I prefer to use it like this. So let me run this, and I will say something like this, and we'll clear it. So whatever I put, it will be cleared. If I click it like this, it doesn't change anything. It's not debugging. But if I click this one, I think, yeah, it will not do anything. Yeah, it's debugging actually. So that's why we need to use valuations, so that the program will not have those bugs. But that's for later on. Okay, I forgot. Yeah, I closed it. So we can't actually click calculate if we don't have any value, but that comes with the if statement. So I will not show it to you now. This is just a simple program that will do calculation and clearing. So it's as simple as that. I can also clear this one if I clear the button. For example, I click, say, label dot text is equal to, and also like this. So what I do is I put something here and calculate this. I want to clear them both, and they clear it. This is the basic thing you can do with it, a calculation. As I said, we can have many different variables. We can have number, integer. We can have boolean, double, single, string, character, stuff like this. Well, there's many of them. You just need to learn them, or you learn them using them. So in future tutorials you will do for sure. I think that's it for this tutorial. Visit my page for more info, for more tutorials, and see you next tutorial. Bye.